In other news, Pakistan may have stooped to an all-time low by sentencing Kulbhushan Jadhav to death through the military court, but the Indian government is not keeping back. They have said that they will take all steps necessary to get Kulbhushan Jadhav back. In spite of having been denied consular access to him 13 times, the government is set to move ahead with the request for the 14th time. Top sources have told India today that India has 27 spies of Pak origin who have been caught snooping against Indian targets but have been provided with no consular access, but also been given a fair trial under the country's judicial system. So once we are giving access to their Pak spies and given them proper judicial system access, it is Kulbhushan Jadhav who's not been given the same in Pakistan. So the former Pakistani President General Pervez Musharraf has defended the Pak Army sham trial of Kulbhushan Jadhav. It's an India Today exclusive. Take a listen.
I want to begin by quoting to you what Dr. S. Jaishankar, India's Foreign Secretary, has said. He says the proceedings that have led to the sentence against Jadhav are farcical in the absence of any credible evidence against him. It is significant that our High Commission was not even informed that Jadhav was being brought to trial. If this sentence against an Indian citizen is carried out, the government and the people of India will consider this a case of premeditated murder. Why, General Musharraf, is Pakistan acting in a case which will be regarded in India as premeditated murder, sir?
No, I don't. I disagree with that view totally. I mean, first of all, what is this idea? What is the logic behind Pakistan should be informing India that we are putting him on trial? I mean, the man has carried out sabotage and espionage activities against Pakistan, and he's being tried. So why should India be informed about it?
I will tell you, General Musharraf, why India should be informed.
Then after that,
is because Pakistan, sir, is a signatory to the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations, 1963. I want to read out to you, sir, some of the articles, 36 1C of the Vienna Convention. I read it out to you, sir. Under this, the receiving state, which is Pakistan in this case, is obligated to facilitate A. Promptly inform the competent consulate when one of their nationals is arrested or detained. Inform the detained foreign national of his right to consular access within his home state. C. Facilitate the protection work performed by the competent consuls in the form of visits, communication and legal arrangements made for the detainee. Pakistan, General Musharraf, is a signatory to this international treaty, and this is the bare minimum that Pakistan would be expected to do.
Let's not bluff each other. These international conventions are there, and I know they are always violated. Take the United Nations resolution in 1948 on Kashmir. Is India accepting that resolution? You're violating a United Nations Security Council resolution. So what are we talking? These conventions are there, and these rules, regulations, these are good ways of blaming each other. We know that both of us have been violating these.